It's more sophisticated, yet less complicated. It's more powerful, yet less cumbersome. It can store vast amounts of yesterday, or tell you what's in store for tomorrow. It can draw a picture, or it can draw conclusions. It's a personal computer from Apple, and it's as easy to use as this. Macintosh, the computer for the rest of us.
You could get a graphic design service to do this in maybe a week. You could get your art department to do this in about 3 days. You could get a typesetter to do this overnight. Or you could get the Macintosh office and do all this yourself over lunch. Think of all the power on this earth. The power of nature and human endurance. The power of spirit and speed and determination. And then realize that of all this power, none is more potent than the power that resides within the minds of us all. The power to learn, to communicate, to imagine, to create. The power to be your best.
And there's something else our system can offer. Graphics. And I'm talking thousands and thousands of colors.
It's a nice system. I just can't take a chance on something new.
A chance? Our whole company stands behind our product.
But I'm not a gambler. We've got the software. We're all tied together. Everybody's trained. The last thing that I need right now is a change.
Well, I hope you'll keep us in mind.
Well, maybe, when you've got the software.
It's coming.
I'm sorry. It's just not a safe decision.
We've been talking it over, and we agree that on the basis of the work, it's easily the best presentation we've seen.
We'd like to award you the account, but frankly, there's a problem.
What's that?
You agreed to keep this assignment confidential.
I don't understand.
Obviously, you brought in freelance artists, typesetters.
You might as well hold a press conference.
Hold on.
All the work we've shown you was done by the people in this room on a computer.
What computer puts out work like this?
Hire us and we'll tell you.
Introducing the first portable computer you already know how to use.
Excuse me. It's my computer. I seem to be having trouble. I know nothing about computers.
I'm sorry. I don't know anything about computers either.
Announcing something you've never seen before in an inexpensive Macintosh. Color. You are about to witness a revolution called PowerBook. It will let you run MS-DOS software
It will let you run Macintosh software. It will let you run away. You are about to witness a revolution in high-performance technology. Its handling will astound you. Its power will take your breath away. But what makes this technology so revolutionary is what it runs on. Your imagination. Introducing Macintosh Quadra, the most powerful Macintosh ever.
This is our house.
This is our Mac.
This is our old mailbox.
This is our new mailbox.
This one is addressed to resident.
This is a letter from Grandma.
Occupant. Occupant.
This is a letter to my friend in Pittsburgh.
This is from Tom's office.
I'm sending this to Grandma.
You may have already won.
This is from our daughter in college. She's on the internet.
This is my homework. I'm sending it in.
Plane reservations, USA Today, banking, shopping.
Look, a real letter. It's for the people next door.
I got customers in Denver, Chicago, Phoenix. I got inventory in Jacksonville, manufacturing in Detroit. I got leads in Miami. My partner's in Tacoma. You think I'm in the middle of nowhere? I'm in... where am I? I'm in the middle of everything.
Did you get the presentation done?
Yeah, over the weekend.
Impressive.
I think the sales force will love it.
Only one computer makes it this easy to tell a story with multimedia.
Ooh, that shoe's gonna be discontinued. No problem.
Even if the story you're telling...
Changes are that easy, huh? Yeah.
...is always being changed.
What if we had a woman and a man on a beach? Just kidding. Nice work.
After you see the movie, you may want to pick up the book.
So if you imagine an object that is a television, that's a radio, that's a computer, whatever computer means. You imagine an object that has an incredible sound system. You imagine all of those functionalities, all of those technologies, you imagine them converging into one object. What should that object be? What on earth should it look like?
Presenting 3 easy steps to the internet. Step 1. Plug in. Step 2. Get connected. Step 3. There's no step 3. There's no step 3.
For the first time in history, a personal computer has been classified as a weapon by the U.S. government. With the power to perform over 1 billion calculations per second, the Pentagon wants to ensure that the new Power Macintosh G4 does not fall into the wrong hands. As for Pentium PCs, well, they're harmless.
The honor of your presence is requested at the marriage of power and elegance. I didn't even know they were dating. Presenting the new iBook Special Edition. Black tie optional. It may be because it's only 1 inch thin, or weighs just 5.3 pounds. It may be because it has a 15.2-inch screen, or is supercomputer fast. It may be because it's made out of titanium. But, you know, whatever it is, geez, you're just going to so want one. The incredibly thin, ultralight, mega-wide screen, titanium portable supercomputer. Wait till you meet the new iMac. Introducing the Power Mac G5, the world's fastest, most powerful personal computer.
Hello, I'm a Mac.
Hello, I'm a PC.
We have a lot in common these days.
We both run Microsoft Office. We share files. It's great. We just get along.
PC. Yep. Okay.
Hi, I'm a PC.
Okay, we're past that. We moved beyond that.
Yeah, I had to restart there. You know how it is.
No, actually, I don't.
Oh, what? Macs don't have to.
We had him, then we lost him. I'm gonna go get IT. Keep an eye on him.
But there is one more thing that I want to talk about. And this is the new MacBook Pro. It has an Intel Core Duo chip in it, the same as we're putting in the new iMac, which means that there are going to be dual processors in every MacBook Pro. So,
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a young soul in this very strange world hoping I could learn a bit about what is true and fake. La 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 la.
Our goals for the first iMac and the goals for this iMac, they've not really changed at all. You know, they're all about trying to create an all-in-one product based on amazing technology, but making it very, very simple. This new iMac really is an evolution of a product that was so right in so many ways when we first released it.
Everything we've learned has come down to this. The next generation of MacBooks.
The radical new MacBook Pro with Retina display. Innovation in every dimension.